Let us get started by dragging a one flat click block. Since we want the program to ask what is the first number at the starting, let us go to the sensing category and drag an ask block and set its values to what is the first number. We want the answer to be stored in a n1 variable, which is called n1. To do that, let us go to the variable section and create a variable called n1. Let us drag a set block from the variables category and set the value to the answer block, which is in the sensing category. We want the program to ask the second number too. To do that, let us drag another ask block and set the value to what is the second number. We want it to be stored in a variable called n2. To do that, let us create a variable and name it n2. Let us drag a set block and choose n2 in the drop-down and set the value of the set block to the answer block, which is in the sensing category. Now that we have got the inputs, we need to calculate the HCF. To do that, let us go to the My Blocks category and click on Make a Block button. Let us type in HCF off. And let us click on Add an Input button. Now let us type in bigger number. Now let us click Add Label and type AND. Now let us again click Add an Input and type in smaller number. Now let us click OK. Since we want the larger number to be the first input, let us add a if-else block below the set block. Let us set the value to the greater than symbol. Let us set the first value of the greater than operation to the n1 variable. Let us set the second value to the n2 variable. If n1's value is greater than n2's value, we want to call the HCF function with the n1 value at the first input. To do that, let us drag the HCF block from the My Blocks category and set the first value to n1 and the second value to n2. Else, we want the first input to be n2 and then n1. To do that, let us drag the HCF block inside the else statement and set the first value to n2 and the second value to n1. Now, we have got the inputs and we need to calculate the HCF using the inputs given. Let us learn how to do it in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.